The THQ IT department is using OneDrive for Business to make your individual work files available from any device. As we make the necessary changes on your work computer, we wanted to make you aware of what you will see once the change is made. In preparation for this change, IT has already moved your work files or U drive to a new server. You should see your U drive listed as user folder, and this will indicate that the first part of the change is complete. Inside of the user folder, you will see a folder for desktop and another for documents. This is a temporary home for your files as we make them available within OneDrive. Items saved on your desktop will now be backed up into your work files. Your music, pictures, and videos folder will now be synced into your documents folder. So anything you placed on desktop, documents, pictures, music, or videos folder will ultimately be synced into OneDrive. Currently, your documents folder is redirected to your U drive, so that when you save to documents, it is copied to the THQ server. Once you are migrated to OneDrive, your documents folder will be pointed to the OneDrive folder labeled the Salvation Army U.S. Southern Territory. Once IT has notified you that your account has been migrated to OneDrive, we will need you to sign out of Windows so that the folder redirection policies can reapply, and your files will be pointed to the OneDrive Sync client. To sign out, just simply hit the Start menu and select the Sign Out option or Log Off option, depending on your version of Windows. Here's what you will experience once you sign on after being migrated to OneDrive for Business. If you notice here on the left menu, there's no longer a U drive listed, and there are some processes running in the background that is preparing the OneDrive Sync client for me. After my first logon, OneDrive has been installed onto my computer, and I am now presented with the Setup OneDrive window where I enter my email address. In this next window, I will enter my computer or AD password. And it is signing me into OneDrive. I'll get an option to choose if I want to sync all folders, and in this first setup we will definitely do so. And then it'll tell me where my folder is located. Awesome. We have started the process for beginning the OneDrive for Business sync with all the files that I have on the new file server back to my computer. In a short moment, I will begin to see my documents load into the OneDrive, the Salvation Army U.S. Southern Territory window. Once the initial setup of OneDrive is complete, you will need to sign out and log right back into Windows to complete the process. This should move all of the files from the new file server into my OneDrive for Business folder. Once I am fully logged into Windows, I can check now for my OneDrive for Business files. Awesome. Now I see my desktop and my documents, and they are beginning to sync with the OneDrive for Business client. You have completed the migration to OneDrive for Business from the THQ FIle Server. As you begin to use OneDrive for Business, you will notice that there are sync icons located in the bottom left-hand corner of the document icon. This will indicate whether that document has fully synced into OneDrive for Business or is still syncing into OneDrive for Business. You can also check for sync changes by going down to the taskbar and Show Hidden Icons and look for the blue cloud symbol for OneDrive for Business. If you click on that cloud symbol, you can see the latest status of the OneDrive for Business sync, as well as open your OneDrive for Business folder. Now that my files are available in the cloud using OneDrive for Business and my Office 365 subscription, I can then log into OneDrive online to view and edit my files. I'll begin by opening the web browser and going to OneDrive.sauce.net. That's OneDrive.sauss.net. I will then sign in with my organizational account. After signing in, I'm presented with an online view of all of my files, from my desktop to my documents. And if I view my documents, I also have my music, my pictures, and my videos. This is an awesome way for me to view my files and to be able to take different actions in the online web browser that I wouldn't be able to do if I didn't have my computer. OneDrive for Business Online allows you to edit your documents and save them back inside of OneDrive Cloud. Simply open up a file, and if it's a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, Office Online will attempt to open it in that particular product online. If you notice, this is in Word Online, and I have the option to edit the document in Word or in the browser version of Word. I can print, share this file, or make comments if it's a shared file for me. The OneDrive app is also available for Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and Xbox. So that's an awesome way for you to view and edit your files while you're on your mobile device or tablet. These are some of the amazing features that you can expect as you move to OneDrive for Business for your individual work files. If you have any questions, please contact us at USS Helpdesk at uss.salvationarmy.org. Thanks, and have a great day.